Celery juice contains undiscovered life-saving medicine. When we hear that drinks contain electrolytes, it doesn't mean it's a completed form. Celery juice contains a complete electrolyte, one that enters into the brain and recharges your neurons. Celery juice also contains undiscovered plant hormones. These hormones enter the endocrine glands. Most people with chronic illness all experience endocrine problems, whether it's the thyroid, the pituitary, the pancreas. These hormones restore them. Celery juice also contains a vitamin C that doesn't have to be converted by your liver. All other vitamin C in every form and in every food has to be converted in order for it to work. So it instantly gets used in the body and it builds up your immune system, bringing people's health back. Celery juice contains unique digestive enzymes. These undiscovered digestive enzymes help strengthen your digestion, reducing bloating, constipation, cramps, diarrhea, all kinds of different issues people have with their digestive system. The antioxidants in celery juice are unlike any other antioxidants out there in any other food. They cling to toxic heavy metals.
I ended up developing severe anxiety, insomnia, tachycardia,
anxiety, panic attacks, OCD,
anxiety and depression, trying to get off my medications.
When heavy metals oxidize, they create Alzheimer's, dementia, memory problems, anxiety, depression. These antioxidants literally are the ones that repel rust from growing off of these metals.
She started the medical medium protocol. Within 30 days started coming out of it.
You can recover and you can reverse these symptoms.
I am healing, and there's so much hope for me and for others.
This is undiscovered medicine, reversing disease in our bodies and bringing people back to life and back to their best health.